Today I'm going to give you a brief overview on what is actually being backed up on your laptop by CrashPlan PROe, how to open CrashPlan PROe, and then check your backup status. So if we look at the Macintosh hard drive, everything in your users folder is being backed up. Well, nearly everything. So let's go into the hard drive and in the users folder, and then Tom, which is my user folder. The desktop is being backed up. Documents, movies, music, pictures, and also if you're a Google Drive user or a Dropbox user, those folders would appear in here and they will be backed up as well. Any other folders in here that you may create yourself will not be backed up, so it's really important to create new folders in your documents folder or wherever else you see fit, if you like the desktop better, or music, etc. So in your music, there's going to be iTunes, pictures, you're going to have your iPhoto library. The downloads folder is not backed up, so if we look through mine, you'll see that there's a ton of WAV files, which are just audio files from the phone system. There's going to be installer files. This data isn't critical and is not backed up. So if we open up CrashPlan PROe, and there's a couple ways to do that. You can go into the applications folder or just go right up here to Spotlight and type in CrashPlan, hit return, and this will fire up the CrashPlan application. So you'll see that it's currently running right here, and I have another hour and a half until the backup is complete. You can click this little information button here to give you exact details. And once it's done, it will say backup complete. You always want to see a little green dot here. A red dot means that there's no connectivity there, and you should come see us as soon as possible. So down here are all the files and folders that are being backed up. And as we discussed earlier, this is the stuff on my machine that's getting backed up. So we have the desktop, documents, movie, music, pictures. Also, some files and folders within the library folder, we have a custom script that will back these up as well, and this is the Firefox folder, Google folder, Safari folder, which contain all your web preferences and bookmarks. And there's also the Stickies database here as well. And as I mentioned earlier, if I had Google Drive and Dropbox installed on my machine, those would appear here as well.